How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna study French. I'm sorry, I said French. It's French. So we're gonna be learning how to ask and give directions in French. Okay. So just keep that in mind that it's I'm learning French from scratch, so I don't know nothing about it. I'm just trying to learn, watching the video at the same time. So if you're interested in learning that with me, let's do it. So let's go ahead and start.
Bonjour, bienvenue à tous et merci d'être là. French with Alicia.
Wow.
Today, as I told you in previous lesson, I would like to help you to find your bearings in a city. So we saw last time like the main shops that you can find in a city or activities, infrastructures. I tried to give you like some of them, I was using this beautiful drawing. I don't know how much you can see it, but that's usually what I use in class with beginners to
That's interesting.
help them to find themselves in a city center. So I have a drawing here and I have the city. I will tell you what I see, and then of course I will translate. So for example, I mentioned the supermarket last time, and I told you it was le supermarché.
Le supermarché. Le supermarché.
To tell you where it is on my map, I would tell you, le supermarché est derrière la boucherie.
Le supermarché est derrière la boucherie. So the supermarket is behind the butcher shop. Okay.
La boucherie, the
La boucherie.
butcher.
La boucherie. La boucherie. La boucherie. Ah.
Le supermarché est derrière
Le supermarché est derrière
la boucherie.
la boucherie. La boucherie. La boucherie. La boucherie. Ah, here. I'm trying to do this R thing. Oh, here. La boucherie. Ah, I cannot do this.
Derrière,
Derrière.
behind.
Derrière.
You probably see it written here. So as you can see, it's double R, final E, but you do not say derrière.
Derrière.
You just say derrière.
Derrière.
Le supermarché est
Le supermarché est derrière la boucherie. Ah! Why? I cannot say it. La boucherie.
The question to that would be, où est le supermarché?
Où est le supermarché? Where's the market? Où est le supermarché? Où est le supermarché?
That's what you would ask if you find yourself in the city center looking for
The market.
shops or some like concrete places. You would say, où est le supermarché? And
Où est le
I
supermarché?
would answer, le supermarché
Le supermarché
est derrière
est derrière
la boucherie.
La boucherie. Ah!
Autre question. Où est la librairie?
Où est la librairie?
Où est la librairie? Where
La librairie. What? Dude, I hate it.
is the bookshop? Bookshop, careful, false friend, librairie.
Où est la librairie? What?
La librairie
La librairie
est à côté
est à côté
de la boucherie.
de la boucherie. Ah!
À côté est à côté
Est à côté
de la boucherie.
de la boucherie.
À côté de. In three
De.
words. À côté de. Next
Okay, the book shop is next to the butcher shop.
to. La librairie
La librairie
à côté
est à côté
de la boucherie.
de la boucherie. Ah! Fuck.
Où est la pharmacie?
Où est la pharmacie?
La pharmacie est devant,
La pharmacie est devant
in front of. Devant
la boucherie. Devant la boucherie. Ah! I hate it with a passion. No.
La pharmacie est devant la boucherie. Et à droite,
What?
careful, à droite
À droite
de la boulangerie.
de la boulangerie.
On the right side. À droite.
À droite. Ah, to the right. Okay. À droite. Ah, no way.
À droite de la boulangerie.
À droite de la boulangerie.
On the right side. À droite.
À droite.
Written droite.
Droite. Droite. Droite.
À droite de
To the right.
la boulangerie.
De la boulangerie. De la boulangerie. Wow.
Right.
That's annoying.
Donc, so that means that la boulangerie
La boulangerie. La boulangerie.
est
Est
à gauche.
à gauche. To the left.
On the left. À gauche.
À gauche.
Gauche.
Gauche. À gauche.
À gauche.
À gauche.
On the left. À droite.
Okay, à gauche, à droite.
On the right. Devant.
Devant, that's in front.
In front of. Written with final T, you do not pronounce it. Again, it's a nasal sound. Devant. In front
Devant,
of.
devant.
Derrière.
Derrière, derrière, derrière.
Behind.
Behind.
À côté.
À côté,
Next to.
à côté,
Close to.
à
I would
côté.
say la poste
La poste
est
est
proche
proche
de la boucherie.
de la boucherie, de la boucherie, de la boucherie,
Close to.
de la boucherie.
La poste est proche
La poste est proche
de la boucherie.
de la boucherie, de la boucherie. Ah!
À côté,
À côté,
they touch each other. Proche de, very short distance.
proche, proche de, proche de.
Le fast food
Le fast food
est entre
est entre, between,
la boucherie
la
et
boucherie,
librairie.
la boucherie et la librairie. Librairie, librairie. Ah! I hate it, man. I'm sorry, but I'm just having a hard time
Le
today.
fast food est
Le fast food est
entre la
entre
boucherie
la boucherie
et la librairie.
et la librairie. Et la librairie. Ah!
Written
Entre.
entrée.
Entre.
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 Difficult because
Entre.
it's nasal on and then you have a soft but still French R after the T. Entre.
Le fast food est entre la boucherie et la librairie.
Between.
You fucking suck, bro. I'm sorry.
Opposite. Le cinéma
Okay, le cinéma
en face
est en face
de la salle de sport.
de la salle de sport.
So it's opposite, but they're separated by a street. Opposite. Le
Opposite
cinéma
is
est
across.
en face
Le cinéma est en face
du centre sportif. They're
du centre sportif.
facing each other, separated by a street.
Okay, so the cinema is across from the sports center.
En face. Devant,
Devant.
derrière,
Okay, devant is in front. Derrière, behind.
à côté,
À côté, next to.
en face,
En face, across from.
proche de,
Proche de. Entre, between. Entre. Okay. Entre.
à gauche, à droite.
À gauche, à droite.
Loin de,
Loin de.
far from. On the map I have here, I could tell you that l'hôpital
L'hôpital
est loin de la pharmacie.
est loin de la pharmacie.
Quite far away, one from each other.
L'hôpital est loin
Again,
de la
I
pharmacie.
think that would be the main things you could be asked if you ask like où je suis,
Où je suis?
où est la gare,
Où est la gare? Où je suis? Where am I? Okay. Où je suis? Où est la gare? Where's the train station? Où est l'hôpital?
est l'hôpital.
Où est l'hôpital?
That's probably what you would get. Like c'est à gauche,
À gauche,
droite.
à droite.
Okay, one
Oh, à gauche, à droite.
more thing would be how to turn left or turn right. We would say tourner.
Tournez.
Donc I could tell you, vous tournez à gauche,
Vous tournez à gauche. Oh, you turn to the left.
vous continuez
Vous continuez.
et en face de la librairie,
Et en face de la librairie,
vous
la librairie,
trouverez
vous trouverez
this shop.
this shop.
If you know the preposition, then the verb tourner,
Tourner.
turn, I
Tourner.
think you could almost perfectly get
Turn
to
over.
learn in a French city if you go for the very first time. good enough. So now
Paris.
you have the main
I'm
shops,
gonna go to Paris 2025.
and you have the main prepositions of place. As always, any questions, any doubts, any critiques?
Oh my
any
god, that
comments?
was so hard for me. God damn it, I'm sorry guys. I'm just having a really hard time. I think that the last time I had the French class, it's been like 10 or 11 days. And if you train and then you take a break, like a 10-day break, for example, when you get back at it, it's like the worst thing in the world, because when you're training another language, essentially you're training muscles in your mouth, and it's crazy. Every language, you stress a certain part of your muscle mouth, or your mouth muscle. I don't even know. You stress it more than in another language. So, for example, you stress a muscle when you're speaking English, but when you're speaking French, it's another muscle. Like, for example, the R, the French R. German is another thing. Portuguese is another stress. I don't know, like Japanese is another stress. So it's just so annoying. And if you're not training consistently and you take a break, it's like going to the gym. You know, if you go to the gym every day, as you train and you build up over time momentum, it gets a little easier. But it's not that it's getting easier, it's that you are getting stronger because your muscles, they're getting used to it, to carrying the weight. And it's pretty much the same with language. You know, you are essentially training your muscles, lifting the muscles in the gym, but in the language gym, whatever. And if you take a break, when you come back, you come back way weaker, and it's just so hard. But that's it. I don't know if you enjoy it, but please let me know if you have any criticism or anything you'd like to say. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to learn more languages. For now, we're talking about German and French. But I'm definitely going to come up with more languages as well, because I want to learn multiple languages, and that's the goal here, is to build a lovable community of people who are like-minded and want to learn multiple languages. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, and I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Bye. See ya.